Welcome to today's edition of the show podcast.
The extensive research explains the fluctuations faced by the oat protein market in recent years and the causes behind it as well. The experts involved researched numerous other aspects of the oat protein industry and attempted to make the report as informative as possible. The researchers assessed the individual market roles, past pricing patterns, and new industry entrants to predict the forthcoming shifts global oat protein market can encounter. After adequately evaluating the regional market distribution and statistics regarding product services rural demand, the general consumers can grasp the study and its results, as the report was ensured to be kept as straightforward as possible. After going through the research, the readers can get brief insights into the product service segmentation, regional market share, and organizations' future roles in the global oat protein industry. Drivers and constraints. The fundamental dynamics that are explored in the report hold substantial influence over the oat protein market. The report further studies on the value, volume trends, and the pricing history of the market. In addition to it, various growth factors, restraints, and opportunities are also analyzed for the market to study the in-depth understanding of the market. The global oat protein market segmented by company, region, country, by type, and by application. Players, stakeholders, and other participants in the global oat protein market will be able to gain the upper hand as they use the report as a powerful resource. The segmental analysis focuses on revenue and forecast by region, country, by type, and by application for the period 2021 to 2027. Market segment by regions. Regional analysis covers North America, United States, Canada, and Mexico. Europe, Germany, France, UK, Russia, and Italy. Asia-Pacific, China, Japan, Korea, India, and Southeast Asia. South America, Brazil, Argentina, Colombia, etc. Middle East and Africa, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Egypt, Nigeria, and South Africa. Key points of the geographical analysis. Data and information related to the consumption rate in each region. The estimated increase in the consumption rate. The expected growth rate of the regional markets. Proposed growth of the market share of each region. Geographical contribution to market revenue. Research objectives. To study and analyze the global oat protein market size by key regions, countries, product type, and application, history data from 2013 to 2017 and forecast to 2026. To understand the structure of oat protein market by identifying its various subsegments. Focuses on the key global oat protein players to define, describe, and analyze the value, market share, market competition landscape, SWOT analysis, and development plans in next few years. To analyze the oat protein with respect to individual growth trends, future prospects, and their contribution to the total market. To share detailed information about the key factors influencing the growth of the market, growth potential, opportunities, drivers, industry-specific challenges, and risks. To project the size of oat protein submarkets with respect to key regions along with their respective key countries. To analyze competitive developments such as expansions, agreements, new product launches, and acquisitions in the market. To strategically profile the key players and comprehensively analyze their growth strategies. The report lists the major players in the regions and their respective market share on the basis of global revenue. It also explains their strategic moves in the past few years, investments in product innovation, and changes in leadership to stay ahead in the competition. This will give the reader an edge over others as a well-informed decision can be made looking at the holistic picture of the market. Table of contents. Oat protein market. Chapter 1. Overview of oat protein market. Chapter 2. Global market status and forecast by regions. Chapter 3. Global market status and forecast by types. Chapter 4. Global market status and forecast by downstream industry. Chapter 5. Market driving factor analysis. Chapter 6. Market competition status by major manufacturers. Chapter 7. Major manufacturers introduction and market data. Chapter 8. Upstream and downstream market analysis. Chapter 9. Cost and gross margin analysis. Chapter 10. Marketing status analysis. Chapter 11. Market Report Conclusion. Chapter 12. Research Methodology and Reference. Key questions answered in this report. What will the market size be in 2027 and what will the growth rate be?